about 300,000 Zimbabweans voted in the Mozambican elections. Could you please shed more light on that?
You are right to say allegations. Allegations are allegations until they are proven. And I don't know who is going to prove. And I also don't know who has the statistics. Because what we know is that everyone will agree that Zimbabwe's literacy rate is the highest in Africa. To mean that our people know the dangers of infringing other constitutions and laws. And as ambassador, I never came across a person who is said to be a Zimbabwean who voted. In fact, I was moving around. I didn't see one. And maybe what we want to do here is to deal with evidence so that we know that, yes, here they are on a queue, a legitimate queue. Kwete zviri kuitwa zvokuenda vanhu vanomira musango kuti ndobva kumberengwa ndobva kwakati masanganiswa nei mubush.
So are you suggesting that those videos were created?
I don't suggest, I'm telling you that those videos are fake. Because how do you get a person from Plumtree, that one from Rewa, that one from Manicaland, that one from Chinoi, being grouped together in a bush? If you are not, you have not been organized by someone. We are old enough to know those lies. It's not the first time that people even tried to show dramatizing on abductions and so forth and so on. And we obviously know, we have information that this is being done by some people that are in South Africa. We know it.
What could be the motive behind this?
The motive has always been stupid. Because they think that democracy entails losing of a ruling party. That's their definition. We have never seen people complaining about a former opposition party winning elections. But once a ruling party wins, it becomes trivial. It is non-democracy, it is rigging, and so forth and so on. And we even want now to look at the correct definition of democracy and who has got to define democracy.
Maybe my last question from you.
You can make them many.
Okay.